Okay, so for some help with these ones, let's take a look. So we're trying to find, in this case it says the equation for the line of symmetry, right? That's also called the axis of symmetry, given two x-intercepts. So that's where it crosses the x-axis. So let's just draw a little picture for this first one. I'll show you kind of what's going on. So this one, it's saying at -1 there's a point, and at +3 there's a point on your graph. So we know, like, let's just say the parabola opens up. Like, hey, it's going to look something like this, right? So the axis of symmetry, if it's got to be symmetrical on both sides, you know, think, hey, this is 2 away from that spot, and this is also 2 away from the same spot. So the axis of symmetry has to be exactly halfway. Oops, sorry about that. Halfway between the x-intercepts. So in this case, it's at +1. So x equals +1 is going to be that axis of symmetry. Something like this next one, you definitely could still draw out your number line, right? And say, okay, well, if I'm going from 3 to 14, let's see, I should have seen how far away this is, right? So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, right? As I start going halfway, I go to 4, right? I go to 13, 5, 12, 6, 11, 7, 10, 8, 9. You'll notice this time the axis of symmetry is in between. So in this case, it would be x is halfway between 8 and 9, so 8.5. Another way to think about these is you can just do the average. So 3 plus 14 divided by 2 is the same as 17 divided by 2, which is 8.5. So your x value, or for the axis of symmetry, will be the average of those two. So whether you want to think about it graphically and find halfway between, or you find the average, you add the two numbers and divide by 2, either way works.